Outside of a gold medal at the 1920 Summer Olympic Games at home in Antwerp, the Belgium national team has never won a major international tournament. However, Belgium enters the round of 16 at Euro 2020 as the top-ranked team in the world. Belgium dispatched Russia, Finland and Denmark in the group stage to extend its Euro 2020 winning streak to 13 games including qualifying, but they'll take on a tough Portuguese side in Seville, Spain. Portugal won Euro 2016 and made the round of 16 as a third-place qualifier out of the group of death, which also included France and Germany. Monaco, November 21. Timo Werner of RB Leipzig celebrates scoring his side's second goal during the UEFA Champions League Group G match between AS Monaco and RB Leipzig at Stade Louis II on November 21, 2017 in Monaco. Monaco. After working in the sports betting industry for several years, Green became a professional sports writer and handicapper. Since then, his European soccer picks have been spot on. Green has generated almost $19,000 for $100 bettors since the 2017-18 season. He's having a great Euro 2020 as well, with his picks generating more than $800 in profit for $100 bettors through the group stage. Green has his finger on the pulse of the game all over the globe. The Red Devils have found a formula that works under Belgium manager and CBS Sports soccer analyst Roberto Martinez. The Spaniard was hired to lead the Belgians after a quarterfinal exit in Euro 2016, and his possession-oriented 3-4-3 has led them to a lot of success. Under Martinez, Belgium finished third in the 2018 FIFA World Cup and then vaulted to number 1 in the world rankings with an incredible run through Euro 2020 qualifying. Belgium went a perfect 10-0 to win its group, outscoring opponents 40-3 in the process. During the group stage, Belgium kept the momentum going by taking all 9 points with wins over Russia, Denmark and Finland. With Kevin De Bruyne's creativity in the midfield and Romelu Lukaku playing the best football of his career up top, the Belgians have earned their status as the top team in the world, and they'll pose problems for a Portuguese defense that gave up 6 goals to Germany and France. Portugal hasn't looked quite as dominant as it did en route to its Euro 2016 championship, finishing second behind Ukraine in Euro 2020 qualifying and then finishing third in the group stage. However, Cristiano Ronaldo and the Portuguese attack are still doing enough to keep a team with championship experience hanging around. Ronaldo leads the Euro 2020 Golden Boot race with 5 goals and is coming off a brace against France that powered a 2-2 draw to get Portugal into the knockout round. Bernardo Silva and Diogo Jota provide plenty of pace and skill to either side of Ronaldo, and that attacking unit ensures that Portugal is never too far out of any match. In addition, Portugal's defense has recorded a shutout in 3 of its last 5 games.